Oh, nakagante agad. And quick conversion for next ledge is the connection between Jaja Maraguinot and Kiara Permentilla.
Yeah, they have a pretty good connection for this first set.
Next led with a 2-point lead. Tienza, good serve. Still the rebounds. This time, they're able to set up a play. Another chance now for Zeus.
Oh, good block.
Ganda ng block ni Krish doon. And she goes again. Makaslam feeling it.
Yeah, the back-to-back blocks for Krish Makaslam. Matibay sila mag-blocking pero yung, ang ganda nung dikit ni...
Uy, pasok!
Yeah.
Boy, you know, you've been talking about the good serves coming from next led.
Yes. Oo. Like, ang layo. Ang layo nung pinagbagsakan ng bola na.
Another big one for Jai Tienza. And Zeus tried but couldn't handle it.
Back-to-back service aces by Jaila Atienza.
And next led enjoying their biggest lead. And they're looking for just 2 points to win this first set. Reverse to Ebon. Picked up by Gonzaga. Troncoso barely getting it over. Ebon ulit. Tapia with a good cover. One more chance for next led. This time from the left pin. Permentilla can do no wrong.
That's right. And ang ganda ng pasok ni Makaslam for yung middle blocker na Zeus Coffee. Take a look at that again. Open yung cross court.
5 chances here for next led. Running attack. And look at Krish Makaslam. You know, I think she deserves the game point because Krish has been a beast.